Today is the 30th of December 2023. That means less than 48 hours from now, we will enter a new year. And I am bringing you this very, very special greeting to all our wonderful and consistent subscribers, which have been a huge part of our success all through this very year. And I want to also say that you guys' support have been very, very awesome. I really appreciate it. Myself and the entire Remit team appreciate your support, which have made us to come this far. And I also want to say that Remit, this channel was created, that was late 2020, and in the bull run in 2021 I became very serious about creating content and posting them on this very channel, which have helped a lot of persons. And one thing very important is that this year, that is 2023, I know that I have created about 150 videos or even more, and also that means 150 thumbnails. And the subscriber as at last year 2022 was within 15k subscriber to 17k subscriber, and today, as at I'm recording this video right now, we are 26.3k subscriber. And this is purely organic. Okay, I've not done any promotion on this channel, not on YouTube or any other social platform. And I also want to say that this I've also given this channel 496 videos, including shorts and long content. And this is very important because it takes a lot of time to do videos, and also creating thumbnails and some other stuff that involve in content and creation. But the most important thing here is, you see, we went from the 15 to 16k subscriber last year up to 26.3k subscriber, and this is very significant. But I also attribute the great growth to the subscriber of this channel, which is very important. So myself and the entire Remit team is saying a very big thank you to your awesome support. Is very great. It has been a great journey here, and I want to say thank you so much. And I also want to talk about briefly some things you should be expecting on this channel in 2024, which is just less than 48 hours from now. There will be a modification about the audio. Will actually take the audio to the next level between February and March. There should be a very sound audio system in play. And not only that, it will be a live section. That means I will be doing the videos live, not only screen recording anymore, so that you guys can see me. We interact together and also chat because of our trading journey to where it's supposed to be, and to also advance our skill both in technical analysis and also in fundamental analysis. This is very important. So a very big thank you to all our subscribers, and guys, thank you so much for supporting me. I really appreciate it. And for those of you guys that are just new to this channel, I also appreciate your wonderful support. Thank you for subscribing. If not because of you, I wouldn't have been doing videos. You mean a lot to me. You mean a lot to the entire Remit team. We are saying a very big thank you right here, and also wishing you and your family, your loved ones, a prosperous 2024. So thank you so much. I truly appreciate. Last year, if you look at this chart, this is the 1 month chart on Bitcoin. If you look at it, you see the market move all the way from here, which serve as the bottom of, that is around this level of 16 or 15k dollars, and then market right now is 41k 900. What I am expecting from this chart is we are already in the bull run. I told some persons, and I also talk about this on this channel, that in as much as we saw this breakout on this resistance level right here, with this very candle, then it means that we are already in a bull market, and this is the bottom of the chart. Okay, market will not go down anymore. This chart is going to head upward, and what I am expecting is the market to move to the upside. Notwithstanding, we have two significant levels of resistance on this chart, which is very important. You need to pay attention to it as we enter into the new year. This very level right here of $49,000 and $50,000, which is very important. This very level resistance will react to the market, will make the market to react just like we are saying right here. And this very level as well, where the market touched in the previous bull run, that is this level of $69,000 at this very area. These are two important levels of resistance that you must have to pay attention to as we expect the market to move to the upside. Market definitely is going to go upward. There is no doubt about that. We are already in the bull run starting from October this year, where we see this very breakout on this very level of resistance right here with this significant bullish candle. Remember, I am on the 1 month chart, so I expect the market to move upward, and I will also say that this is the best time to start buying Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies for your long time holding. And one of the videos I'm going to do next year is when to start buying altcoins. That is when altcoin will begin to pump. You can start buying now, it's fine, but when are we going to see that drastic pump in altcoin? I'm going to show you on the chart, and that video is going to come very, very early in January 2024. And on the 1 week chart right here, if you look at this market, we have the market move up, retrace, move up, retrace, move up, and then finally broke out at this very area, and market move a little bit. Look at it. This very level of resistance is a very important resistance to pay attention to, and that is the region where the market is getting a touch from right now. So what is going to happen here is the market have capacity. There is this possibility of the market retracing a little bit before continuation to the upside. The bear market is over for me, and market is going to move to the upside. So expect this market to move upward, but we could see a possible retracement to the downside into the $37,000 and this level of $34,000, $33,000 before the next move to the upside. Remember, the market don't move in a straight line. Okay, market don't just move upward. It have to, move a little bit and then ease up, move again, ease up, just like that. That is how the market move, be it crypto, forex, stock, and any other financial market at all. So right now, I am expecting a possible retracement on the 1 week chart. This possibility exists. That's what I'm talking about. I am not saying it's a must. Nothing is 100% in the market, as we all know. But if that retracement comes into the market, which is a possibility, then I am looking at this level of $37,000. This very area, market is going to begin to move upward. That is a retracement of this very impulsive move before the market will continue again to the upside. And a breakout on this level of resistance will mean a lot to us in the market, because if we see that breakout of this level of resistance, then that means market is going to move upward into this very area of resistance again, which is where we see the highest high of Bitcoin. This is this level of $69,000. This is very, very important, guys. And lastly is the 1 day chart. I talked to you about in my immediate last video of the market coming back down, and the first area you should be focusing on is this level of $40,000 at this very point, and this very level of $41,000. So this very two area is a very important zone you must have to watch, because market can retrace into this area before continuation upward. And I also say that a breakout on this level is going to bring us down into this very point of $37,000 and this very area of $38,000. So these are the two most important supports right now on the chart that you must have to pay attention to in the market. So there is no doubt this market is going to move down, so pay attention to shorting the market on the lower time frame. For example, the 4-hour chart, like I talked to you about this very chart in my immediate last video. So the 4-hour chart, the market is going to go down. If market is going down on the 1-day chart or on the higher time frame, the best thing you have to do is to short the market on the lower time frame. Okay, so in that regard, you are in the right direction of the market. So this is what you must have to pay attention to right now. Markets have to go down into this area before a possible move to the upside, and we have to monitor the way the market is moving upward. And like I said earlier in my last video as well, a breakout here means the market is going to move upward. So anytime we see a break of this resistance, the market is going to move upward, and the target I talked to you about is a $50,000 and $52,000. This is where you should expect the market to ride into this very level, $50,000 and $52,000 at this very point. So this is what you must have to pay attention to right now as we wrap up the year and we are moving into 2024, which is a great and prosperous new year for us. Remember, the halving is going to happen in April, okay, which is very important to all of us. The bull run is already in play. Invest wisely, and thank you very much for always supporting Remit Trade. And I want to say that if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to leave a like for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this. And one thing very important is that if you check the description of this video, you see some link Binance. If you register and deposit $100 on Binance and Bybit, you will have a $1,000 bonus. Okay, you have to ensure you register with a link in the description. Not only that, you must have to deposit the minimum $100 and take a trade. Okay, and you will qualify for a $1,000 bonus on Bybit, also on Binance affiliate bonus as well, and also on OKX. So check the description of this video and register via the link. Thank you very much for always supporting the channel, and I will see you in 2024.